Welcome to SleekFlow, and today I'll be walking you through the mobile interface of the SleekFlow application. So on the mobile SleekFlow application, there will be the inbox interface, the contacts interface, and the settings interface to allow you to communicate with your customers wherever, whenever you like. So on this interface, if you would like to start talking to a customer, you can go into the inbox interface and press into any of the conversations displayed here. Once you press into a conversation, you can see that on the bottom section, it can show that you can send messages by pressing the white interface. By pressing the double A button, it will change into the note interface. And by pressing the pen button, it will change back to sending messages to customers. On the right side, you can see the plus button will let you press and send the template you would like to that specific customer. And the plus button will allow you to send attachments such as camera photos from the photo library, the videos, and also documents. Lastly, if you would like to do a voice recording, you can press the button on the right to do a recording, and hold the button if you would continue the recording as if you're talking on WhatsApp, and to slide left to cancel, to release to send. On the mobile interface, there's actually the button More to allow you to access more functions, such as changing the status from open to close, changing your assignee to another contact, adding collaborators by pressing the button here and selecting your collaborators, and also adding labels manually, and lastly, changing the WhatsApp channel that you would like to use to communicate with your customers. And by going out, you can also slide left to select unreading a message or bookmarking a message so that it would show up on the top. And by sliding right, there will be more options to allow you to add labels, assign chats, and close chats without pressing into the conversation. There are also additional functions in the inbox by pressing the top left corner to filter your conversations based on channel or labels, so that sometimes if you were to find a specific group of customers, you can easily do so by pressing that. On the top, by pressing the Your Conversations, a drop-down menu will appear to allow you to change to see different conversations, mentions, and all conversations and other teammates' conversations if you're an admin, to allow you full access and control wherever you are. On the top right, there's also the search function to allow you to search for words in specific conversations, so that if you would like to find what you have typed previously to a customer, you can search on the top right for that specific phrase to see which conversations have included that specific phrase that you want to mention. Lastly, on the top, you can scroll through conversations easily by pressing the opened, snoozed, or closed conversations on the top to allow you to manage conversations easily.